Okay. Wonder what's good to eat in here. Ooh. Smarties. One of those. Smarties. Looks good. Okay. We'll go with that.
Are you ready yet?
There's Dylan. He's asleep. Oh, he's adorable. Now let's go in Lexi's room. Just sitting here, hanging out with Lexi. What's she doing, Lexi?
I'm looking on your Facebook.
Of course you are.
Duh. I'm looking at what people are on.
Yep. And let's see, what can we do? We can listen to the music.
No, let's not listen to music. Well,
Yes.
let's listen to Cody Simpson.
No, we're listening to Gym Class Heroes.
Cody.
Girlfriend, she's the only one I got. Not much of a girlfriend. You never seem to get a lot.
Ashley? I think there's something in my bed.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, go check.
No.
Ashley, I'm scared.
You're scared.
Pull it on my computer. It's pulling on my computer screen.
Okay, I'll go check. Easy now.
Check under my bed.
I don't think Dylan's still. Where's Dylan? Oh my God.
Where's the 4-year-old?
Oh my gosh. When did you get under there, Dylan?
Holy crap. Is he under my bed?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. That was so freaking.
Talk about a good actor. He snuck in here. I thought you were asleep.
How was it?
You little turd. You snuck up on us.
No. This was a reenactment. It really took us an hour to realize he was under the bed.
Yep. It took forever because we were like just sitting there and doing whatever, watching videos, and here we hear this meow from under the bed. So yeah, he was under there for a long time. I hope you enjoyed. Whoa! I hope you enjoyed this reenactment.
Bye.
There's Dylan, starring don't starring Lexi, Dylan, Dylan, and me, of course.
We love you.
Okay, we love our viewers. Okay,
Love.
rate and comment. Thanks.